Welcome to the MSRA Back to the 50s here at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds for our 40th annual car show with over 12,000 custom cars, 1964 and older. Enjoy the next video and I'd hope to see you here.
Welcome to U.S. Classic Muscle Cars. Thanks for being here. Please enjoy the show.
Man, I love all these old cars.
So pretty, right?
I know.
Hi, my name is Nathan Regan. This is my 1923 T-Bucket. It's not an actual T-Bucket body, it's just a fiberglass kit car. My grandpa originally made it. It's a fiberglass body with a steel frame, and he did all the brass work himself, and the paint, he pretty much built it all by himself. The engine is just a small block Chevy, but it's got a bunch of look cool parts on there, like a big tunnel ram intake and double pumpers on there, all painted to match with green accents, and the frame's wrapped in brass with some brass accents with the headlights and that kind of stuff, and some big exhaust pipes. We used to run jet fuel in it with a different engine. That's what turned them all rainbow colored like that.
Right, because it's out of tune a little bit.
Yeah, but then that engine blew up, so we put a small engine that's reliable but looks cool.
Sure. Do you know how much horsepower that's producing right now about?
I'd say like 350 to 400. Like I said, it's mostly for like, I mean, it's fast, but you don't want to go fast, and it's kind of scary to hold on with that small steering wheel.
Especially with these thin tires.
Yeah, it's really, really small bicycle type tires in the front, and really big Mickey Thompsons in the back. It's got a wheelie bar, which once again doesn't get used, but it looks cool.
Right.
So it's mostly for show.
How is it to drive?
It's good. It drives true and straight. You don't want to go too crazy on it, but it's a good cruiser. For two people in it, maybe not two adults, but a kid and an adult. I rode down here with my brother.
Right. Do you know what the size of these tires are?
I do not. They do say on there though, but
Okay, but
yeah.
I mean, look at that stance.
Yeah, really big in the back. It's kind of like trying to be like a drag racing theme type car. Big roll bar in the back. It's a big bended piece of steel that was chromed.
That's got to be a lot of fun to drive.
Yeah, you get a lot of looks. It's got a Ooga horn.
Okay.
So that's fun to hit when people walk by you.
Now, did you help build it in any way?
No, this is built before I was even born, probably around 20 years ago. But I've helped maintain it and clean it up and bring it down here. My grandpa passed away, and now it's my dad's, and I drive it with him and stuff. So.
And you know what I like about it the most?
Yeah.
You left the keys in it for me.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
So, yeah.
Wow. And then so this is brass?
Yeah, everything's all brass. It's a pain to clean. As you can see, it got rained down once, and I've still been paying the consequences since that. But yeah, everything's brass. My grandpa wrapped that frame in brass actually by hand. And then the other stuff's just stuff from Speedway and catalog parts.
How is it to drive with the thin tires? Do you feel the difference?
I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, it drives like a hot rod. It's not like a sports car, but I mean, it drives straight and true, and it's not too scary on the highway. We came down the highway going 60 or 70. It was fine.
Wow. And look at these, the windscreen and the...
Yeah.
That's a nice touch.
Yeah, I got the screens, have wind deflect. You still get a lot of wind. My head's above the thing, so it doesn't help too much, but for little guys, it helps.
Do they call you Herman?
No, but I'm pretty tall.
That is really sweet.
Thank you.
Any other friends of your cars?
Yeah, so this is also my dad's here. This is a 34, and then that far car there is, I think it's a 36. I could be wrong.
Okay.
Chevy that's owned by those two, Corey and his dad, Chuck.
Nice.
And yeah, we all ride down here together usually every year. You guys want to hear how the car sounds? Yeah, I'll fire it up for you. Usually goes on the first time. Yeah. Good. Oh, good. Turn it off.
Do it one more time. Just
Oh, yeah. Thank you for looking at my tea bucket, and I hope you enjoy the next videos.
awesome.
One in a million, 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 one in a million. You know they're coming up to me, 'cause I'm just the kind of flower that's stinging in the beat. But the rhythm's getting higher. Go, 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 go. One in a million, 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 one.
That's what happens on a hot day.
Yeah, right.
Just blew a hose.
He wanted to be in the video.